I'm Dr. Ritu Kumra from Government Girls Senior Secondary Smart School, Railway Mandi District, Hoshiarpur. Present scenario is the era of digitalization, and our education system has developed a solution for future class and created a digital learning zone for students as well as for teachers. So, I have prepared a conceptual model related to the future classrooms. And in this video, through these PPTs, these IT tools, I'll explain the 5 major concepts related to the future classrooms. The first one is digital responsibility. Schools should help the students to build a healthy relationship with the technology and digital world. The definition of digital rights and responsibilities is having the right and freedom to use all types of digital technology. The second main point, which is related to this conceptual model, is to induce computational thinking. So, in this world, in this computational thinking, I would like to tell that the parents and teachers want students to develop problem solving alongside digital skills, so they will be better prepared for future jobs that will be based on artificial intelligence and augmented reality. This needs students to build solutions for every problem. The third main point, which is related to this conceptual model, is the collaborative classrooms. Now I'll explain the collaborative classrooms. A classroom is collaborative, where students work with each other effectively and with an educator in a lively group learning environment. As collaborative classrooms promote analytical reasoning and cooperation among pupils and trainers, they are important, they are significant techniques that prepare the students for the workforce, that prepare the students to become a skilled workforce. The fourth main point, which is related to the conceptual model, is the innovating pedagogy. Turku University has applied sciences has developed the imperative approach to modern learning innovation pedagogy, which corresponds to the needs of future abilities and skills. Teachers who are encouraged to have more engaged classes and they want to streamline administrative tasks to focus on teaching totally should adopt this innovating pedagogy. The fifth main point, which is related to this conceptual model, is related to the topic life skills and workforce preparation. This is the most important way by which the students they can prepare for their future jobs, they can become the skilled workforce. Educators as well as parents of children want to have more holistic education based on vocational skills and competencies. The students should inculcate leadership qualities and develop communicational skills. They should rather become an entrepreneur and must have to be focused to become a solopreneur than the entrepreneur. So these were the 5 basic points related to this conceptual model created by me related to future classrooms. Thank you. Have a great day.